guys, welcome to our Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. I'm very happy to see you here today, and today's products would be the deodorant. This is a deodorant cream by Vichy Laboratories, and this claims to be very more of a natural type of deodorant you could get out there. But what I really want you to know right away is that if you look at the ingredients, if we just find the ingredients here, give me 1 second, it has aluminum. The ingredients, right? It has water and aluminum is the second ingredient. So why I guess they claim it to be a little bit of a better product? Because it's alcohol-free, paraben-free, and it's fragrance-free. What I could say from personal experience is that it really works. It is definitely good for sensitive skin after waxing or shaving. It's allergy tested, and as with all Vichy products, it's based on Vichy thermal spa water. Now, it's a cream, and it claims to be helping for 24 hours, but we're so different. For some people, the adjustment, there is no real adjustment here because it does have aluminum, but still, because it has no fragrance, you might find that it's lacking kind of that freshness boost. Now, the skin is really comfortable with it. It really feels soft, and it doesn't have white residue, but obviously with the products like this, once you apply, you wait until it to dry a little bit, and then you put your black t-shirt on. And I would say the expiration of this product is 12 months, and the shelf life, and it's 40 milliliters. So it's not really that much, and it's not really outrageously expensive. So if you want to give it a go and you just can't use products with fragrance, but you still prefer the product that does have aluminum, you're not really ready for shifting for the natural products, that's actually, guys, your product. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later.